In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely roast beetroot hummus using roast beetroots, tahini, apple cider vinegar, and some spices. I'm Fiona. Welcome to Fiona's Food for Life. This is a variation on your regular hummus, which is made of chickpeas. This one I'm using roast beetroot. It is really tasty. I'm mixing the beetroot with the tahini, apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, a bit of cumin, salt and water. To make this, you would roast the beetroot first. So what you do is you get your beetroot, skin on, you just clean it, skin on, wrap it up in foil and roast it for about 40 minutes around 180 degrees. The reason I'm using the gloves today is because the beetroot colour does tend to go everywhere, so I just find it much easier. So I've got 500 grams of beetroot here that I'm just going to peel and chop. The skin just peels off like that. Any juice you've left over, just pop into the mixer. And just coarsely chop the beetroot. Into the beetroot, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of tahini. So tahini is a sesame seed paste. You can now get it in most supermarkets, and I often find that in the Asian supermarkets where you get the best value with the tahini. We're then going to add in 1 clove of garlic. I'm using my Xylus garlic crusher, which I love. You don't have to peel the garlic. I'm going to add in my apple cider vinegar, some of my extra virgin olive oil, salt, some of the cumin, and about 3 tablespoons of water. Now, some people have tried this recipe using the already cooked or the vacuum packed beetroot, but honestly the colour just isn't that nice. This one is a beautiful deep red colour, and it's much better. The roasting the beetroot gives it a better flavour. And there we have a lovely roast beetroot hummus with a beautiful vibrant red colour. You can serve it with crudite or crackers as a dip, in a sandwich, on the side of a salad. It's really nice. Or with my turkey burgers. I hope you enjoyed today's video on making roast beetroot hummus. Please let me know how you get on. I'd love to hear. Like or comment below. And why not subscribe to make sure you get all of my videos. Check out some other videos like skills with avocado or a recipe like how to make omelette 3 ways. Thanks a million. See you soon.